take this plug off right here. Just use a pick or a trim tool. Just get underneath here. Just be careful not to scratch the paint. That just pops off. You can access that screw right there. Use a T30 socket, like a star bit. Loosen this up. I'm gonna have to cross over you. As we loosen this up, you're gonna pry this out, the cover right there. You're not gonna take the screw out completely. It's just gonna loosen up. There we go. This just slides out like that. It's just like this. Just grab the handle, slide the handle forward, then it comes out, just like that. We're going to take this cover off. Just use a little pick. There's a little tab on the side right here. You just pop that out, and then it slides off. That's the tab you're prying on. You take the new one. The same way, just slide it on there and just lock it down. That's good, like that. And I take the handle side of it. We're going to go in there, push it in, and slide it towards the vehicle. And slide this piece in. You might have to pull this out a little. That's good. And take that screw and gently tighten that down. And just snug it up a little bit. You don't have to tighten it too much. Just make sure it doesn't wiggle loose. So that's good. Take the plug, line it up, lock it down.